You know what time it is? It's time for a new set of nails. This week I am going to go with this black and white set with accents of silver on it. And I also have some red left over from before, so I want to incorporate a little bit of red in with my black and white. I have my nails laid out ready to go. I have my glue and I'm using the Kiss Power Flex Max Speed Nail Glue this time. And let's get started. We are all done and I was right. This turned out super cute. Guys, take a look at this. I absolutely love the way they turned out. I love all the designs and I love the little hint of silver glitter on the black and white nails. Now that I have my red and black nails, I am fully ready for the University of Georgia football game. And can you say, go Dogs?